Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so very much. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so very much. I truly appreciate everything. Like you have no idea. I am a manifestation and mindset coach. I teach everything from law of attraction all the way to self-development and why the human mind thinks the way it does. I am a manifestation and mindset coach. My website for anything that you want is in the description. It's always down there. So make sure to check that out. So today's video is about how to use affirmations in your everyday scripting to manifest something and how to act as if. So stay tuned. Okay, so when I am scripting, I use affirmations such as I am and I have. Instead of saying I am so thankful for the thing that you already have. Like in manifestation, when we act as if, we have to sometimes act as if we already have that thing. So when we're manifesting it, we have to make it sound like I am or I have. We wouldn't be saying I am so grateful for, because that would basically say that we don't have that specific thing. So in order to manifest something, we have to act as if. And to act as if is basically saying I already have that thing. That thing is already basically tangible to me. And talk about it as if you already have it in this present moment. Even if you don't. Because the more you act as if you have that thing, number one, you already feel, you're getting into the feeling of having it. And you're telling the universe, you're shooting off to the cosmos that you already have it. It's already yours. So it is so crucial to act as if you already have it and it's already tangible to you. It's already came into fruition. And to act as if you already have it, you kind of have to pretend like you already have it. Like, yeah, I have this thing. This thing is mine. You know, when you're manifesting a specific person, you know, if your friends know that you're into manifestation, yes, talk to them like you already have your specific person. Because the more you put yourself into that feeling, the more you are going to already feel, you're going to feel like that thing's tangible to you. That man is that woman or man is tangible to you. That thing that you have is already tangible to you. So what I do in my scripting is I write out as I am this, my business is this, I am doing this, I have this, you know what I mean? So let's say you are starting your own business, or you're starting a YouTube channel and you want it to be viral. You put in your scripting, my YouTube channel is so viral. I am famous on YouTube. My videos are always getting love and respect. Every time I log into YouTube, I get so many likes, I get so many comments. People want to do meetups with me. Obviously safe meetups. My business is flourishing. It's doing amazing. I'm making thousands of dollars a day. I'm getting thousands of clients a month. Business is booming. I am getting millions of followers. Everybody that comes to my YouTube channel is getting so much information, and they absolutely love my my videos. So that's how I use my scripting. And I was doing the I am thankful for this and that and the other thing, and I am so grateful I have this, or I'm so grateful for this, whatever. I was doing that when I first doing manifestation and law of attraction, and I was scripting in a journal. And I was seeing results, but not big ones, right? I wasn't getting, I obviously wasn't living in my house that I manifested. I wasn't making as much money. At the time I wasn't getting as much subscribers. It was very slow. But once I switched over to this specific scripting, I was starting to really hone in on getting I manifested this house, and I will link up the video on how I did that if you want me to elaborate into that more and really show you everything that I did. I'll do a video on it, or I could put it in one of the course modules on my Patreon. The other thing that I was doing in the beginning and throughout my journey a lot, especially in the beginning, is I would write in my journal, not only just for scripting, but for other things too. And anytime I would come up with an idea, I would write it down, and then I would script at night, right before I would go to bed, and that takes that into your subconscious mind, because when you go to sleep, your dreams are your subconscious mind trying to tell you something. And what it's doing, it's helping you reprogram your mind to thinking that you have those things, that they are tangible to you, that you already have them, they're already here. And I would put on binaural beats because they also help with, your mind and stuff like that. I just know that it goes into your subconscious mind. If you want me to do a video about that and whatnot, I will do a little more research to figure out why that is. But I just know that they help me. First of all, they help me sleep. Secondly, they help with your subconscious mind, and they, anything that you do before you go to bedtime, you're taking that into your subconscious mind, and your subconscious mind is what creates your reality. Our subconscious mind is what makes us go on a walk, make a cup of coffee. This is the pilot back here, and your conscious mind is the autopilot. So to get out of the autopilot and go into the pilot, the back of the mind, we want to reprogram your thinking and your daily habits, because that's what's going to create your reality. You're going to quantum jump into your reality. And I'm going to be doing a video on quantum physics very soon, and how quantum physics or mechanics has a lot to do with law of attraction. There's like 12 different laws: law of attraction, law of energy, law of polarity, to name a few. So I could do videos on those too, but I'm mainly into law of attraction and manifestation, and I do believe in energy. It does a lot of movement in our life, and that also creates our reality as well, as long as we're working on our energy and we're working on healing ourselves and healing the energy that no longer serves us, because we don't want to take our old paradigm into the new paradigm. It's just going to keep manifesting to what we had. So in order to not manifest, being broke and unhappy, we have to really work on our mindset, what our daily habits are, what our routines are, what we're consuming, and things like that. My next video is going to be about a 360 method that helped me get to where I am today. So when I script, I always make sure I do it before bed or when I wake up in the morning, because our subconscious mind, when we wake up, when we're still sleepy, our subconscious mind is what controls everything. So that is how I script and how I manifest everything in my life. That's for apartments, or look online for apartments. If you want a car, start looking around online for a car, or go to a car lot and just look around. So that way you can kind of get into the feeling of already having that thing and it being tangible to you. Another thing that I do a lot is meditate. Meditation helps as well. Sometimes I meditate right before I go to bed, and then I script and take a nice hot shower and do other things. And I've also been exercising a lot, going on a lot of walks, because that moves your energy. If you let your energy just sit there all the time, stagnant, it's not moving around into the universe. Because the more you move, and when you move, walk around and stuff, and you do your affirmations and you speak things into existence, the more likely you're going to get it quicker, because you're moving that energy around a lot quicker than if you were to sit there. So those are my tips for scripting and manifesting and acting as if. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I am a manifestation and mindset coach. I teach everything from self-development all the way to law of attraction and why the human mind thinks the way it does. I am a manifestation coach. I do one-on-ones. I have emergency one-on-ones, courses coming soon, and everything is in the description box down below. My website is down below. I'm going to start putting it in the comment box. That way you guys can just press on it and check out my website. The coaching is held on Zoom. So you get a 1-hour session with me. So where we come up with a plan for you to help you better understand these things. So I hope you guys have an amazing day. I'm sorry I talk with my hands. I'm Italian. I hope you guys have an amazing day. I send you so much love and light, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!